Hi, I'm Carl and welcome back to Adventures in Camping. Today we're going to be doing sheer lashing. Stick with me, we'll get right to it. Okay, so let's do some sheer lashing. Move these out of the way. I had to prep some materials, okay? So what I'm going to make is I'm going to make a pot hanger for the fire. If you notice, I got a hook here and I got a hook here. So now what we're going to do is join the two of these like so. Now I have a tall tripod, or actually I have a quadropod that I'm going to hang these off of. What's a quadropod? I'll tell you in a few minutes. Okay, now, remember what we always start with is we always start with a clove hitch, okay? And I'm going to actually tie this the other way just so you can get accustomed to seeing it tied like this, because you don't always have the opportunity or the chance or the availability to be able to tie it by loops and over the end. Okay, so now we have that, and I'm going to take this other one. It's kind of up to you which direction you want the hooks to be. See, I've got my hooks like that. It's all up to you. Now I'm going to start wrapping around. There's a one. There's two. I like to do double on these. There's three. There's four. There's five. And remember, keep it tight. There's six. Okay, now what's the next thing that we do? That's right, we frap it. Put that around here. Put that around here. And now we're going to frap it. How many times? Yep, you got it 3 times. Good job. And if you need to, remember, use a toggle. Okay, got that frap now 3 times. Had to kind of pull that back to make sure I got it nice and tight. And now I'm going to end it in. Yes, you got it. A square knot. Hey, you're picking up really well. There we go, and a square knot. Again, we'd cut these extra ones off. If you needed to, you could go ahead and do a round lashing down here. Basically, round lashing and sheer lashing are pretty much the same thing, except I do my round lashing in 2 different locations so I don't have too much of this. This is going to be hanging, so it shouldn't be a problem. All right, I'll be right back to show you something else. Stick with me. Excuse me. So this is what I call a quadropod. It's basically the beginnings of a Chippewa kitchen, which I'll show you how to do a lash. It's a different style of lashing than tripod lashing, and we'll get to tripod lashing in another video. So let me show you what this can do for you, or a tripod can do for you, with the hanger that I just showed you that I lashed together with the sheer lashing. So this is what this is for. This gives me a fairly simple, easy made in the field, bushcraft, woodcraft, whichever you want to call it, pot hanger, okay? And if you'll notice here and here, I used diagonal lashing. Diagonal lashing came in very handy with that. Some people might want to use square lashing, but I thought diagonal was more appropriate. Whew. All right, well, there we go. That's sheer lashing and what you can do with it. And my quadrupod. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember, hit the little subscribe button down in the corner, or you can also hit the little bell and you'll know when I have another video come out. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care now. Come back now, you hear?